Good morning student. This is class 11th math and today's thought is the only way to learn the mathematics is to do the mathematics. Means if you want to make a perfection in a mathematics, then you have to do lot of the practice. Without practice, mathematics is not possible. So you can say the only way to learn the mathematics is to do the mathematics. Now today's date is, this is 10th of July 2021 and it is a miscellaneous exercise of complex number. This is question number 10. It is given if Z1 is equal to 2 minus I and Z2 is equal to 1 plus I, then you need to find out the value of mod of Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 upon Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. Student, this type of a question is occasionally asked in the competition like IIT and JEE. So, pay attention on the question. This is given Z1 is equal to 2 minus I. The value of Z1 is equal to 2 minus I and Z2 is equal to 1 plus I. Now you need to find out the value of mod of Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 divided by Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. Now we need to put the value of Z1 from here and Z2 from here. You will get this one is all equal to. This is 2 minus I at the place of Z1. Here we put the value of Z1. This is 2 minus I plus Z2. Z2 is equal to 1 plus I. Plus 1 whole divided by, this is Z1 minus Z2. From here Z1 is 2 minus I minus Z2. This is 1 plus I plus 1 whole mod. This one is equal to, this is equal to now the value is equal to, this is equal to, now taking out the real part together, this is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 and this is 1, 4. So this one is equal to 4 and here the imaginary part is minus I plus I. They will cancel each other. So the value of 2 minus I plus 1 plus I plus 1 is equal to 4. Now comes on the denominator. This is 2 minus I minus 1 minus I plus 1 whole mod. This one is all equal to, it is 4 upon this one minus I and minus I. This is minus I and minus I makes it minus 2I. But before this one we need to put down the value of real part and the real part in denominator is, this is 2 minus 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 cancel each other. So the value is, this is 2. And minus I makes it minus 2I. This is minus 2I. If you see in the denominator, you will get 2 as a common from the denominator. So this is 4 upon 2, this is 1 minus I whole mod. Now cancelling with the 2. This one is equal to 2 upon 1 minus I whole mod. Now you know that the denominator of a complex number cannot return in as a complex form. So firstly we need to convert it in the real form. How can we convert it in the real form? In previous exercise you know that if the denominator is in the complex form, then we need to multiply it by its conjugate. So here the value is, this is 2 upon 1 minus I. This one is multiplied by 1 plus I upon 1 plus I whole mod. Now this one is all equal to, this is 2 1 plus I divided by. If you see in the denominator is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So it can be written as a square minus b square. At the place of a, this is 1. So it is 1 square minus I square whole mod. This one is equal to, this one is equal to 2 1 plus I. This is 1 minus I square gives you minus 1. So the value of this one is equal to, it is minus 1. So it 1 is equal to 2 1 plus I upon 1 plus 1. Here student you will get, so student you will get, this is 2 1 plus I divided by 1 plus 1 means this is 2. Now you know that denominator and numerator both containing 2, they will cancel each other. So here you will get, this is 1 plus I whole mod. Now you know that if you have to given a complex number in the module form, then its value is the coefficient of under root, the coefficient of the real part whole of square. Here real part is 1, so it is 1 whole of square plus the coefficient of imaginary part. The coefficient of imaginary part is also equal to 1, so this is 1 whole of square. So the value of it is root 2. So the given value of z1 plus z2 plus 1 upon z1 minus z2 plus 1 whole mod is equal to root 2. Here we will revise the question. We have given the value of z1 and z2. We need to find out the value of z1 mod of z1 plus z2 plus 1 divided by z1 minus z2 plus 1. Firstly we write down the value of z1 and z2 in the given expression. We will get, this is the numerator became 4 and the denominator became 2 minus 2i. Taking out 2 common from the denominator, we will get 2 upon 1 minus I. And now you know that complex number cannot be written in the denominator of any number cannot be written in the complex form. So firstly we need to convert in the real form. How can we convert in the real form? Firstly we need to multiply it by its conjugate. So the conjugate of 1 minus I is equal to 1 plus I. If you multiply, you see the denominator became 1 square minus I square. You know that the value of I square gives you minus 1. So this became 2 1 plus I upon 2, and this is 1 plus I whole mod. You know that if we are taking the modules of a complex number, then this is under root the coefficient of real part whole square plus coefficient of imaginary, the coefficient of imaginary whole square. This is root 2. Thank you students.